Hey guys, Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel, here at Strathfield again for Strathfield on a rainy day, part 2. And as you may have remembered from part number 1, here's V33 now departing off platform number 5. And yes, V3 is still waiting for the right of way. The rear half of this is V48. Both sets have the New South Wales Train Link livery. And we have a Waratah departing off platform number 5, A57 is the set. And we have a Parramatta service, A11 arriving into platform number 6. I wasn't aware that trains actually terminated at Parramatta in the morning, but now they've actually been to Strathfield, got off at Strathfield and stuck around a bit more. Yeah, I've noticed that there has been a few Parramatta services each morning. I wonder when V3 and its other half are going to depart. Here we've got Endeavour set N3, the ex-Bathurst Bullet, Central service. And now we've got V3 finally making its way past platform number 3. The rear half is V39. This is a lucky vlog. Here we've got S65 arriving into platform number 8. Oh no, Waratah's going to block it out. A44 departing platform number 7. Oh well, got most of it anyway. Why am I facing the camera at a pole for? Turn around and face it at more poles. Oh well, at least you get to see more of the train. Again, the set is A44, it's a City Circle service via Town Hall. And approaching platform 6 we have a Waratah Epping service. A5 is the set. Again it is arriving on platform 6, Epping service. Righty guys, I might actually make a part 3 because I've got to be here for a bit longer. And yeah, let's make it into parts. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. I'll see you all in part 3. Bye for now.